Of foam rolling. So pop the foam roller down, start on your back, so upper back, arms extended. You're rolling from just the top of your shoulder blades, just under your shoulder blades, middle back here, nice and controlled. Starting off with that upper back, arms extended. Pop to the side, start to go into the lats. So really focusing on digging out the lats here, just into that bottom insertion of the lat into the humerus, the shoulder joint, and down into that lower insertion into your spine, just about midway down. So work on the lats. So that's right and left in that one. The next one you want to go to then is you want to start to look at your chest. So coming around to the front, just popping down, have your foam roller just here, extending the arm out again and just working on that insertion from the pec into the shoulder again. Really working that area, keeping all that weight on it, guys. And again, any spot you feel that's a little bit tight, that's where you're going to spend a couple of seconds. When you finish your chest, then you can start to work your way down into your lower back. So we've done down to the mid back, now we're going to the lower. So we pop in here, we're going to extend back over, put our feet supporting, and we're going to start to roll out that lower back. So our shoulders are on the ground, and we're really working on nice and slow, rolling that area. Again, guys, don't put too much stress on here. It's nice and gentle here. Just opening up that lower back. From there, you're going to flick down, and we're going to go straight into our glutes. So glutes up onto the foam roller, knee across that you're rolling, and then roll out at that area again, moving around, going from the middle to the outside, and just finding all them little hot spots. Pop down into your hamstring, and this is again the same for left and right. You're rolling from the back of the knee to the top of the glute. Nice and controlled inside the hamstring and rolling slightly outside. Pop down, calf is exactly the same. Inside, this will be quite sore, this one, so nice and controlled. And again, putting all that weight onto that calf. Any hot spots you find, just spend a little second there. That's really important that you don't rush that. And any of the areas that we've covered. Again, that's left to right, guys. Quads now, remember we've done hams, we've done calves, we do quads. We go to the front, and you're just literally popping just above the knee. Support yourself with your hands, and you're just rolling in there again. Outside of the quad, you turn slightly, and we're going inside of the quad. We turn slightly. And again, once we're in this position, we can start to do abductors as well. That's the inside, really the inside leg. And you're putting one leg on the outside and really drilling into that, opening up them hips as much as you possibly can. Really, really important here. We spend a little second rolling there, okay? So again, we can do neck as well. This is one that people have a bit of an issue with. So your neck, popping in here, and you're just rolling on that neck and really focusing on finding them spots that are a little bit tight, nice and slow movement, and really working that area as much as you possibly can. And again, you can go back into that upper back again if you need to. Remember, we started with the upper back, we went down to the chest, down to the lower, onto the hamstring, up to the calf, up to the quad, back in then again to the neck. And one last one we can start to do is just the arms, the triceps, and that's very, very simple. We're just rolling the forearm first, rolling out that forearm, and then going into the triceps, guys, and we're just going to put that weight onto that area there, just the back of the arm, really rolling it, and then we can start to do the bicep, and we're going to roll in this position here to do the bicep, okay? So nice and controlled. Again, that's a full body foam rolling session for you. Spend a little time where you find that the spots are a little bit sore, especially around the calf area, the hip area, upper back, neck. Just spend a little bit of time there. I would recommend pre-training, 10-minute warm-up, and then post-training, 10-minute cool down with your foam roller as well, or else do it on totally separate days where you can spend a little bit more time on it, because this makes a good difference. It just breaks up fascia, gets a bit of that movement and blood into that muscle, which is what we want to do to prepare our body for training, and also after to bring down inflammation and keep that mobility within the joints and the muscles, which is really important.